In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write subscript and superscript in Outlook. If you've ever needed to add scientific notation, chemical formulas, or footnote-style numbers in an email, this will make your messages look clean and professional. Start by typing your text as you normally would. For example, you might type CO2 for carbon dioxide, or 12 to represent an exponent. These are just examples to help you follow along. You can use any text you need. The key idea is that you'll apply formatting to only the specific character or characters you want to change. To create a subscript using the keyboard, highlight just the character that should drop below the baseline. Using our example, select the 2 in CO2. Now press Ctrl and the equals key together, no Shift. That shortcut instantly turns the selected character into a subscript, so CO2 becomes CO. If you accidentally apply it to the wrong character, simply select the text and press the same shortcut again to toggle it off. Next, for superscript with the keyboard, select the character that should sit slightly above the line. Using the example 12, highlight the 2. Press Ctrl, Shift, and the plus key at the same time. That changes it to superscript, so 12 becomes 1. Just like subscript, this command toggles press it again on the same selection to return to normal text. These shortcuts are quick, especially when you only need to format a single number or symbol. If you prefer using the ribbon instead of shortcuts, there's an easy option for that as well. First, select the text you want to format. Then, in your Outlook message window, go to the Home tab. In the font group, click the small arrow at the bottom to access more formatting options. From there, click the CO button to apply subscript, or click the 1 button to apply superscript. The icons are visual cues, and they act as toggles. Click once to apply, click again to remove. This method is helpful when you want to see and confirm the exact formatting controls. A few quick tips as you work: always select only the characters you want to change to avoid formatting larger chunks of text. If something doesn't look right, use Ctrl-Z to undo immediately. And remember that Outlook keeps your text readable, so subscripts and superscripts remain clear in most email clients. That's all you need to write subscripts and superscripts in Outlook. Thanks for watching.